index, RSI. Guys, this is, when it comes to basics, the second most important indicator after moving averages. Okay. So guys, RSI क्या दिखाता है हम लोगों को? RSI is basically a strength. It is a momentum indicator. Okay. It is measuring the magnitude of the stock prices. Whether a stock is in an overbought condition or in an oversold condition. Okay. RSI हमें वो चीज बताता है. मैं बस point 1 पढ़ लेता एक बार. RSI is a momentum indicator that measures the magnitude of recent price changes to evaluate overbought or oversold conditions in the price of stock or other assets. RSI is displayed as an oscillator. जैसा we have candlesticks in moving averages and a line normal charts में, RSI is like a line chart. Okay. RSI का range होता है 0 to 100. अभी guys 0 to 100 क्या signify करता है? आप एक ये बात बताओ. Okay. Very clear cut layman language में, if it is above 70, okay, if it is above 70, please note it down. 70 के ऊपर RSI is in an overbought zone. Stock is in an overbought condition. वहां से एक reversal आ सकता है. 70 के जितना ऊपर है stock, उतना short करने का अच्छा मौका बनता है. I will show it you all even on charts. पहले एक बार समझ लेते हैं हम लोग RSI क्या होता है. उसके बाद मैं आपको चार्ट्स में भी समझा रहा हूँ. 70 के ऊपर जितना ऊपर हो उतना शॉर्ट करने का मौका है, क्योंकि the stock, the commodity is in a very overbought condition. The same if it is below 30. 30 के नीचे is a very good opportunity to buy because the stock is in a very strong oversold condition. वहां से एक रिवर्सल आ सकता है. RSI जैसा हम लोग मूविंग एवरेज का लेते हैं 200, 21, 14. RSI का डिफॉल्ट टाइम रेंज है, वी टेक इट एज 14. गाइस कुछ क्वेश्चन है RSI पे कि कैन वी प्लॉट ऑन चार्ट्स एंड सी हाउ इट इज. या ओके गाइस, प्लीज प्लॉट इट. Any specific chart or shall I just follow? Okay, मोइन फार्मा भी दिखाएंगे, भारती भी दिखाएंगे, सब दिखाएंगे. ओके. आईबुल तो ऐसी स्क्रिप्ट है भाई. चलो ठीक है, आईबुल पे भी ट्राई कर लेंगे. If RSI is 50, then I'll just check. Current sharp. RSI 50 current sharp means RSI breakout दे रहा है ऊपर की तरफ. If it is not, we have to see in which direction RSI is pointing. अगर RSI 50 and ऊपर की तरफ point कर रहा है, means stock is in an uptrend. 50 के नीचे and नीचे के डायरेक्शन में point कर रहा है, means it is in a downtrend. Frame shot RSI moving up, price going down. We will come to that. RSI and price same direction, up or down. Okay. Yeah, Prem, I'll just show you on charts. हमारे सब concepts clear हो जाएंगे. If RSI above 60, can we buy and keep target on 70? Right. Ankit, we can very well do this. It's a very good point. You are trend playing a stock. It's absolutely correct. 50, 55 के ऊपर RSI breakout आता ही है एक बार 70 के लिए. I'll just एक बार charts पे देख लेते हैं RSI. RSI 14. See guys, ये RSI है. I am keeping my default period as 14. Oversold condition, guys, we can do whatever we want. Okay. Since I am speaking about 30 and 70 as oversold and overbought, I am keeping as 30, 70. We can keep 80, 20, 10, 90, whatever we want, whatever works for us. 30, 70 works for me is the reason I kept 30, 70. What works for me might not work for you all. Yeah, yeah guys. Guys, here I go. RSI, now we can take it with the Bharti example only. Okay. Bharti has given a buy to us at this level of 547. अभी हमें डबल कंफर्मेशन करना है. RSI ने हमें यहाँ पे एक रिवर्सल बताया है कि नहीं. वॉल्यूम्स पिकिंग अप. भारती का वॉल्यूम पिकअप हो रहा है. RSI has started pointing in upward direction. Stock price has shown a green candle. 2 confirmation भी आ गए हैं. Is it a confirmation, double confirmation for a buy trade or no? Can you all message? Yeah. Okay. Also हम लोग एक RSI की एक ऑल्सो someone asked me RSI 60 के ऊपर ब्रेकआउट आता है कि नहीं. एक बार वो भी प्लॉट करके हम दिखा देते. गाइस दिस सॉफ्टवेयर जो मैं यूज कर रहा हूँ एडलवाइज TX3 का सॉफ्टवेयर. इट्स अ बिट एडवांस टेक्निकल सॉफ्टवेयर. सबके पास हो ना हो आई एम नॉट श्योर. तो आपके सॉफ्टवेयर में कुछ अलग दिखाई दे सकता है. चार्ट्स तो वही रहेंगे, बस फीचर्स फंक्शनिंग्स माइट बी डिफरेंट. गाइस RSI 60 ये है. ओके या ओके. किसने पूछा था मेरे को, कैन वी राइड अ स्टॉक फ्रॉम RSI 60 to RSI 70? दैट्स फॉर MC. RSI हैज गिवन अ ब्रेकआउट अबव 60 आउट ईयर. हमेशा वो 60 65 से रिबाउंड ही करता है. मैं से आई हैव नो आइडिया हाउ पावर बी सॉफ्टवेयर. ओके. ऑल्सो इसने जब पूछा था कि 567 पे शॉर्ट करना है, they could have shorted as volumes were drying up. रेड कैंडल हुआ था यहाँ पे, रेड कैंडल फॉर्म हुआ था. Also if you see RSI had shown a negative symbol out here, a negative line out here. It was going down. The stock was weakening. Strength was being lost by the stock. Guys, am I clear? RSI concept is comparatively easy compared to moving averages. ज़्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाना पड़ रहा है. कुछ queries है तो just shoot up to me. I'm available out here. I hope everyone is understanding. Yeah. Very, very easy concept. MIC going rate train, yeah. Looks normal. Yeah. It looks normal. We should just learn to implement in day-to-day life. Also much clearer. Yeah. So Sudhir, Sudhir, thank you. Varun, thanks Varun. Okay guys, तो RSI अगर हम लोग को I'm sorry, MIC, I didn't get your question. Guys, RSI अगर clear है, we can shift to our next concepts. Yeah, you all have any questions more regarding RSI? Are there any negative traits? RSI is Rehan, basically a momentum indicator. So it will just show you what the stock is, what the price of the stocks are showing. So it doesn't have any negative traits as of now. Yeah. So Prem Shah, in over here, if you can see the price of the price moving up, price see Premsha, the price of the stock is going down over here. See, Premsha, the price of the Bharti Airtel is going down over here, but RSI is increasing. See, below. Yeah, Prem, can you see this? Prices are going down, but RSI is increasing. This is a signal that Bharti is strong. They have come down just to take the stop losses of the weak hearts. Volumes are good. The price is going down. The RSI is up. Volumes are up. I hope, Prem, I've answered the question. I'll just check again what you have written exactly. Yeah, RSI moving down, RSI moving up, price is going down. Yeah, Prem. RSI and price in same direction, up and down. That's already answered. RSI going down, the price. Yeah. So, Prem, here you can see RSI is going down. Prices are trending to move, starting to move up. Okay. MIC, whenever market exhibits a strong trend, whenever market exhibits a strong trend, the RSI and loses its value and vice versa, which leads to. Okay. Guys, just a minute, I'm just seeing if any questions has been left unanswered. Amrit, RSI cannot be solely used to trade EMAs and SMAs. Need to compare. Need to be compared. Yeah. Guys, Amrit has made a very good point. He has raised a very good question, or more like a statement. RSI is not the only indicator, guys, we need to use. We need to follow moving averages also. Candles, volumes, everything needs to follow. RSI is just a momentum indicator. वो हमें वही बताएगा जो प्राइस हमें बता रहा है. So, Rehan, prices, see, in this ellipse which I plotted out, yeah, it's negative. Prices are going in the opposite direction, but RSI is trending. Volumes are picking up, which means that the stock is strong. So in this there are opposite trends, but RSI is useful because it shows that stock में buying हो रही है, stock strong होते जा रहा है. Yeah, Harshal, they tend to form same patterns. If they don't form तो वहाँ divergence हो जाता है. जैसा कि यहाँ पे divergence था. Stock prices are down, RSI is up. But then we have to, all indicators are pointing upwards, right? Stock is at its support of 50 EMA. Stock is showing good RSI strength building up. Volumes are good. Support पे तो long बनता था भारती में. Prices fell down just to remove the weak hearts. Stop losses लेने के लिए आया था नीचे. Guys, RSI अगर clear है, no inside. उसी होगा भी तो नहीं होगा. I have no idea. We are learning based on charts. We can't rely on any information or any news. We need to see and trust and believe in only our setups. We are here to make each and every one of us independent. I am holding this workshop for the sole purpose so that we all can become independent. We don't rely on anyone else. Okay. Guys, RSI clear, so we can move to the next concept. Harshal, we aren't going into calculations out here. We are going into concepts. Calculation आपको Google पे मिल जाएगा. Yeah, Roshan, pivot point can be used to find support resistance is not a bad idea.